Alright guys, this is how to prep your mechanical watch. It's moving, but I just moved it up now. As you can see, the date is incorrect and the time is incorrect. So let's just set that up quickly. Undo your screw. Alright. So taking a time, it's 8:06 and today is the 17th. So let's just go to 8:06. I normally go the other way because I'm checking if the date changes. Like that. So you see, the date changes. So now I know I'm in the morning. Right, so we go to the right time. Boom. So next I need to change the date. As you can see, it says the 5th. Today is the, going to the right date. Now I need to set the day. It says it's Wednesday. It's supposed to be Tuesday. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, let's leave it in Japanese. Alright, there you go. Push it back, push the crown back in now, as I'm done with all these functions. So I pull it out fully to set the time. Pull it out middle way to set the date and the day. Then I push it back in. Now it's just wind it and load up the spring. Alright, so now the spring is loaded. Time to put it on. Some buckled. There you go. Less than 5 minutes and you're good to go.